US crude WTI trying to trade with slight drop, but it is still not confirming of a full-fledged drop today. And NG, specifically NG opened high with the gap up at 2.675. Now trying to fill the gap here. So now what to expect? Can we expect a bounce back in NG and oil, or we can see a drop again? And if yes, which position you should take in order to profit today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. And yes, the next update on oil will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we'll look into crude oil WTI, followed with NG. Do watch till the end. Listen to it carefully. Note down the levels. Trade as per the levels. Now, see, it has achieved a little higher levels and now trying to trade with a drop. This is the third straight red candle. Now, see, I will be looking forward to 76 levels and 75.8 levels. Once you see it trading below 75.8, you can sell for 75.5, and only below 75.5 little more bearishness can be seen, where it may try to stretch the drop till towards 74, rather I will say 75 and 74 levels. Certainly 75 74 is a very strong support zone. Also, if you look at the movement on the hourly charts, you can see it has formed the peak here. Also, if you look at the symmetrical here, so certainly higher lows can be expected here, and it has traded, it has given certainly slightly higher highs. So higher highs, higher lows, which means if it continues to drop from here, 74.5 75 levels is going to be the next stronger support zone. So for the day, you can sell at 75.8 and be cautious till 74.5 and 74. Direction movement crossing over for a sell, stochastic dropping there vertically, it was overbought. The MACD again crossing over for a sell, and if you look at the RSI, this is trading flat almost on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts. I'll just wait for it to break past 75.8 levels. Below that 75.5, 75, and then below that 74.5 levels can be expected. Only and only if you see it trading below 73.8, there could be further bearishness, because below that we may see 72 and 70 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI looking down, indicating little weakness there. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts to see, and if you look at the oil's movement, lower lows, retracement, lower highs, and possibly lower lows. So see, last few sessions you can see retracement, lower lows, retracement, lower lows, retracement, lower lows possible, but this time it has breached past this channel, and I will definitely be watchful here. Directional movement bearish, stochastic overbought and looking down. The MACD trying to converge here, RSI trying to look down. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Look at the previous two candles, and yes, it has also come to the next support level here. So I will be definitely watchful of 75.8 levels. Below that only little more bearishness is confirmed for 75.5, 75 and 74.5 levels. Below that, a further drop can be expected. Directional movement bearish, stochastic overbought. MACD is bullish, trying to converge here. RSI is trying to look down, indicating little weakness. Now look at the daily charts. Most important, several times I have told you, see, head and shoulders is seen here, but at the same time this is not confirmed, because higher lows are consistently seen, lower highs are seen. This is still trying to consolidate in a zone, in a range, and hence only and only if you see it trading below 74, 73.8, then we can confirm that 74, 4.3.8 levels, you can confirm that 72 levels can be seen, and below that it may try to break further. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic has reversed a bit. The MACD trying to converge, it is trading bearish. RSI is trading flat here. And looking at the charts, I will recommend you to sell now at 76.15 levels. Expect 76, 75.8, very strong support till 75.8. Below that, it may try to stretch the top for 75.5, 75, 74.5 and 74. Only and only 74 levels are taken, because see, head and shoulders are seen, and we can see this time if it breaks out, this is going to be a sharper breakout, which might take it for 70, 67, 65 levels in the month of March, because see, the new monthly candle will start soon here. At the same time, if you see it trading above 76.8 levels, certainly you can buy there 77.2, 77.5, and then 78. 78 is a very good resistance. Beyond that, 78.8 and 79.2 zones you should watch out for. Very strong resistance. Beyond that, we may see it hitting 80. And if it recovers still there, possibly it may try to fly high further. And hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do watchful of till 74, till 73.8 rather. Do not consider it as bearish. It can bounce back any point of time. See, the previous candle had a long tail. It may try to drop here a little bit. Higher lows it can create and then reverse from there. There is a possibility exist. And hence, that is why I say till 73.8 levels, you have to put a trailing stop loss, or the levels I mentioned, you have to keep shifting your stop losses to those levels step by step and keep booking profits, or and re-enter if you see trading in the same direction. That is first. On the upside, once it stays beyond 77.2, definitely we may see that it can try to form a symmetry here, achieve till towards 77.8, 78 levels, and beyond 78 it is going to fly high for 80. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at net gas. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly chart for natural gas, and you can find here, see, specifically net gas has traded bullish since last week, while the markets have gone bearish. It is trying to trade in this channel on the hourly charts. Now it is trying to find a support here. See, it has achieved higher highs 2.68, and certainly this will expand the Bollinger Bands, which has got narrowed, and now it is consistently traded bullish since. Now see, bearishness in NG is only and only if first it trades below 2.5 and then 2.45 levels and 2.4 levels. If this zone is breached, then only we can confirm that there is bearishness in NG. At the same time, look at the hourly charts. It has filled the gap completely. Now it is trying to stabilize here. So possibly you can sell here at 2.56 levels, and below 2.56 only you can expect 2.54, 2.5 levels. Below 2.5 only little more bearishness is confirmed. So sell at 2.56, wait for 2.54 and then 2.5 levels, and below that only we can expect further drop. Directional movement on the hourly charts bullish. Stochastic has seen a vertical drop. The MACD trying to converge crossover, and this crossover is happening at a little higher levels. So possibility exists that it may try to continue with the downward move. If you look at the RSI, this was also overbought, now trying to look down here. And if you look at the 2 hour charts, one red candle, two red candle, this is the third red candle. It may try to stretch till towards 2.55, 2.54, and in fact 2.5 levels are also possible, but then there are stronger supports, first at 2.5, then 2.48, and then 2.44 levels. Below that, further drop can be expected. Directional movement bullish, trying to stay bullish. Stochastic was overbought, looking down here. And if you look at the MACD, this is in green, this is extremely divergent, this is extremely bullish here. It has recovered extremely, possibility of a little drop exists. RSI was overbought, it is also trying to look down here. Now look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour chart, certainly this is also the third red candle here, and possibly once it stays below 2.56 levels, certainly little more bearishness can be seen for 2.54, 2.5 and 2.4 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic was overbought, looking down here on the 3 hour charts as well. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI was overbought, trying to look down. And on the 4 hour charts, likewise on the 4 hour charts, the gap is filled here. I'll wait for the next candle, and I'll wait for the next candle, which direction it takes. Certainly I will wait. Once it stays below 2.5, then only little more confirmation of bearishness, and then wait for the 2.45 levels, 2.44 levels to be breached for further confirmation of the bearishness. Till then, do not consider this as bearish. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought on the 4-hour charts, dropping here. The MACD is in green. RSI is also overbought, and that is why we can see the little red candles there. On the daily charts, likewise, after straight 3 green candles with diminishing body size, this candle has given a gap up and it traded above the resistance level, but however it failed to break past 2.7 levels, and then because beyond that 2.8 is the next resistance level, and only if it breaks beyond 2.8 the bullishness will be confirmed, the reversal will be confirmed. Also, if you look at, certainly it has traded above the resistance zone, so it is confirmed that it is trying to reverse. Now for next couple of candles I'll be just watchful. Till the time it stays above 2.4, there could be a reversal here, possibility exists here. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic has come to overbought levels. The MACD is in green, trading with divergence. RSI has also recovered from the oversold level. Considering this, for the day you can sell at 2.56 levels. Below that 2.54, 2.5 is going to be a very strong support. Below that 2.47 and 2.44 levels, and 2.4 till 2.4. Do not consider this as bearish. It can bounce back again any point of time, and this time it may show you stronger reversal. So sell at 2.56. At the same time, if you want to buy, you can buy at 2.68 levels. Above 2.68, certainly we may see it flying high this time. Beyond 2.68, we can see it trading till towards 2.8, and this time it may break 2.8 also, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Till the time it trades below 2.68, let's be cautious, though it can reverse, but it may take couple of days before trying to reverse completely. And till the time, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, sell at 2.56, buy at 2.68 levels. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to join my mentorship batch. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email ID is mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.